So it's me, Abbad, medical. Coming into my background, I am working in IIT Madras as a software engineer and an alumni of NIT Calicut. And here with me is Hamraz. I will let him introduce himself.
Hi all, I'm Hamraz. I'm working as a data scientist in Pyramid Finance. Now I am here in Mumbai. So me and Abbad was same batchmates in NIT Calicut, and it's been 1 year we have graduated from our college. Yeah, so it's been a while we've been thinking of creating a YouTube channel which would cater people in knowing all these stock market news, the trends in market, and especially about Indian market. Yeah, so this is officially our first video. So Abad would start with sharing some news that happened in the weekend, in whole this week. Okay.
So there is an exciting news from US market. As you know, US is being heard like there is a recession going on and there are some other financial matters going on. Like people were worried about how it will be affecting the stock and other financial matters. So now there's a good news from their federal system, which is like they are going to decrease the interest rates of people in the bank, and it will be like party.
അത് കുഴപ്പമില്ല കുഴപ്പമില്ല ഇറ്റ്സ്
അപ്പോൾ
ബേസിക്കലി ഇറ്റ്സ് ബേസിക്കലി ഓല് ഇങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞാൽ മതി ഇങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞാൽ മതി ദേ ആർ towards monetary pleasing, so it may result in a lower interest rate in the future എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ മതി. So this has created a
okay, so
positive.
there's a good news in US market. Like people were worried about how their system is going to be behaving in the coming years. As you know, like we are also expecting a crash in our stock market. Maybe it's not happening, but there are trending news like that, and we know how the emotion of people will affect the stock market. As of now, there's a good news from US Federal Bank, like they are going to decrease the interest rates. So there I see an advantage, Amras. It will help the people to keep their money with them, like the interest rate is decreasing. So what do you think on that aspect, like how it will benefit them in the marketing or in stage of intraday stock market?
Yeah, so it's basically all this positive news, like basically the intraday works on market sentiments, right?
Yeah.
So this would definitely there's a chance that this monetary placing would easing would definitely decrease interest rate in the future. So people could have pumped more money into the stock market. There's a chance for that. So basically, this has resulted uh, in a positive movement in all these US indices, like Dow
So
Jones.
what is your opinion on 15 days, like coming 15 days? How will
So let's see. Before going to that, let's see how the market has reacted to this news.
yeah.
Let me share the screen
So you
first.
can share your screen now.
Yeah. So this is S&P 500 indices. Index is it's just like Nifty alternative of US stock market. So we can see this weekly candle, which is a strong bullish candle. So precisely we could say that. It has increased over 1.5% in the last week. Yeah, so it's a better. Maybe because of this news, investors could, many intraday players could have come to the market or come to the market in the last few days in US stocks market. And similarly, in the other indices like Dow Jones and Nasdaq Composite, everywhere we could see some uh, some increase in stock indices. Yeah, so overall, in global news wise, we could expect that Nifty could perform better in that terms. Like our global sentiment itself is good, right?
Yeah.
So we in the coming week we could expect uh, a good movement in Nifty altogether.
Will it hit all time?
Yeah, so we can just look at Nifty indices as well. So here is the Nifty 50. Yeah, so this was the trend which we're keeping from December 23 to June 24. It was trading below this resistance, and on June, around June, it has crosses the support, and finally it could reach all-time high of 25,000, and it again comes down, and it has taken a support. This was the previous resistance, so obviously it would be acting as the support. So and then it again comes back to its previous all-time high. Not it hasn't reached the all-time high. All-time high is exactly 25,152. So let's hope Nifty would break this in within 1 week or 2 weeks. I am expecting.
I am expecting it as like by September 10th. If there is no any other global hitting news like war or anything, this is going to be hit. I
Is
think
going
so.
to happen.
Yeah.
Yeah. So similarly in Nifty mid cap and small cap as well, everywhere we could see that positive market movement. Everywhere, yeah, it's like every indices is about two touches all time high. Hmm. So, and coming to the sector-wise indices, Abbad, I guess CNX Pharma stocks have performed really better in this week, I guess. Okay. So just like I think Sun Pharma and all, it has given a good
Pharmaceutical industry. What?
returns in, yeah, good returns in this week, I guess.
Hmm.
പിന്നെ